Hey guys, this is Nancy from Team One City Devils with thescarefactor.com, and today we are in Rockford, Illinois for Twisted Crypt Haunted House. We have never been here before. This is actually our first time ever being here. We've heard a lot of good things. We even catch them at MHC, watching Mama get into a dating game with Tater, which apparently Tater didn't fulfill that date, so got some beef to go with him. But yeah, we are checking this place out for the first time ever. We've heard a lot of good things. It's really out of our way. It's like about an hour and a half, yeah, from Chicago, where we're from. So we decided to check it out tonight and see how it goes.
What the hell we got going on there? We got what, just the two of you?
Yeah.
All right. I suppose we'll do this. All right, we're gonna have you up bait 1 and 2.
All right.
Bait 1 and 2. All right. I'd like to be the first to welcome y'all to my family's residence. With that said, we do have some rules here at the house, okay? Do not run, okay? Running when you can't see anything is stupid as hell, okay? You come out of here with a broken nose tonight because you ran into a wall you couldn't see. I was gonna laugh hysterically, okay? You might not, but I will, okay? And that's all that matters. All right. So don't touch things that don't belong to you. Do you own anything in this here building?
Nope.
So what you gonna be touching?
Nothing.
Not a damn thing,
Yeah.
That's right. Now, do we have any intelligent questions?
I have nothing. I mean.
All right, do we have any dumb questions? I take them too.
I absolutely
last,
have.
my favorite.
Do you have any questions?
So, how many things can we touch?
I like that. All right, you guys go on and have a good time now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh God. She scared me earlier.
Yeah.
Oh God. Hi. Oh, snip the tongue. Oh yeah, it's gonna be yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. This is it. Oh God. Oh God. What are all those jars? Got a bottle of bleach right there. Oh God.
Yes! You're just in time for supper! Come on in, come on in. You don't want to be late now, do you?
All right. What do we have for supper?
Smitty, look, we've got company. Doesn't it just smell so scrumptious?
Oh God. That looks like guts.
Come on, Smitty, I'm starving! Show them, you stench! Fine. See?
Oh my God.
We have plenty more.
Oh, what is that?
Want to find out?
Ooh,
Come
no.
on, take a bite.
I'm okay. We ate before
Come
coming.
on, it's
Yeah, we ate before we got here.
Family's home cooking, see? Smitty! Smitty, get over here! What do you want now? There's a toenail in my slap! No, it's yours! No, I don't want it! I can cook better out of my mop bucket! Better than you clean with it? Oh, come on! You know that's unfair! I'm on break! You're the one that should be cooking for me, and I expect better from a puppet on a hand! Who do you think you're calling? What? Oh, it's not them. Who you calling what? Who you calling what? No! Eat it! No! Eat it! No! All of it! Eat it!
Okay. We'll leave you guys to your dinner.
No! Find the doctor! Tell him
the doc-
Smitty's gone mad!
Okay.
Tell the doctor Smitty's gone mad!
We'll find the doctor. Oh, hi. Did you do this mess? No? No? Oh. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Wow, you managed? Push, enter. All right.
Hello.
You give me food.
Hey. Oh God.
Did you bring us anything? Anything?
I did.
What'd you bring us?
A cat paw.
I can't eat that.
You can't eat
That
that?
one might. I don't know why. That one's special. Don't look at me like that. Why do you think you're stuck here? Why do you think you're stuck here? We're both weird. You're stuck here because you went on a murdering spree. Why not? Okay, did they at least put something decent in there?
No.
Smitty?
Oh, Smitty?
Yeah, did he cook anything good?
He did guts.
I can't eat that. Yeah.
Guts? That's
They-
pretty good.
They were vegan guts.
Ew. I only eat eyeballs and spiders.
Eyeballs and spiders. No, he didn't have that.
I eat candy. Candy. I didn't ask you! You keep this attitude up and you're scaring people away. No, I'm not. She likes me. Right?
Yeah.
Yay! She likes me. She likes me. She likes me. That's not a good thing. The mistress will probably take it.
Okay.
But I like your wall art. Can we have it to put on the wall? Oh,
My wall art. Oh. I just got this one. It's got to heal first.
I don't care. Cut it off.
No, I'm okay.
Just hide your shinies. And we'll talk. We're gonna talk. Have fun with Mistress. Hide your
Mistress.
shinies.
Hide my shinies. All right. Oh, mistress.
Come here to be my friend. I really need friends. What's
Yeah. We're here to be your friend.
your name?
My name's Nancy.
Nice. My name's Pumpkin.
What's
What's your name?
your name again?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Yes, Pumpkin. Is there anybody else I can know?
That's
your name?
Mario.
I'm Mario.
Nice.
I guess.
Now, since you guys are my friends now, you don't gotta worry about being on the list of people I eat.
Oh God. Okay.
Those are usually people I don't like. Like I was saying, my name's Pumpkin. You're gonna go see the mistress, but when you go see her, I want you to tell her that Pumpkin says hi. Can you do that for me?
I can definitely do that.
And I'm your favorite, right?
Yeah, of course.
Right?
Yes.
I'm your favorite too?
Pumpkin's my
Okay.
favorite.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Or else I would put you on that list.
Oh God.
Now, to get to her, you do gotta go down the sketchy bloody hallway.
Okay.
And I always say, as long as it's not my blood, I wouldn't worry about it. I don't know if you guys say the same thing, but you know. Now, anything shiny. Do you have anything shiny?
No.
Do you have anything shiny?
They told me to hide it.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Because she, even if you try to hide it, she will probably sniff it out.
Oh. Okay.
Because she loves shinies, and you may or may not get it back if she takes it, and I don't want no more lawsuits. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Can you promise me that?
I can promise that. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Pumpkin.
You're my favorite pumpkin. Hey, want blood? You will leave. Oh God. Bloody hallway. Oh God. Hi. Oh God.
Mine! Mine! Give it to me!
Oh no.
Give it to me,
There's no
it's
shiny. No shinies.
Mine, mine,
No
mine.
shinies.
Mine, give
No
it to me.
shinies. No
Give it to
shinies.
me.
I got this for you though.
Give it to me right now! Mine! This that?
It's a cat paw.
Pretty cat paw!
Yeah.
Keeps?
Yeah, you keeps.
What's that?
That's a cat.
Art! You know where art goes?
Where does art go?
I don't want
Oh, not this art. Not this art. No, not this art.
the family will get it.
Oh
for
God,
me.
the family will get it. Oh God.
Come here.
Okay.
Look into my mirror. What do
Okay.
you see?
I see me.
I see me too.
You see yourself too? Yeah.
Two pretty ladies.
Two pretty ladies. There you go. Then I see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanna know what else I see?
What else you see? Okay.
Crazy time.
Oh, okay.
Crazy time! Howdy, hold it. Keep it moving. Come
Okay.
on, little cuddly.
Oh God. Hi.
You smell delicious.
I showered.
Let me get a bite.
Oh God, no bites. No bites.
You smell good. Come on, let's go be
Who told you my
All
name?
right.
Oh, stop!
All right. All right. Hi.
Would you like some margarine, Johnny boy?
Oh. Oh God. What is that? Oh God.
It's the margarine.
It's the margarine.
It's not done yet. Don't judge me.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Friends, come. Buddy, we got friends.
Oh God.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Come on in. Oh, look at you and your shiny doodads.
Oh
Well,
God.
hello. My name is Twitch. How are you?
Toy?
I am a clown, as you can tell.
Yeah.
This man
Hi.
I've adopted off the streets. I don't have a name for him yet. Now, we're gonna play a little game. Do you like games? I love
Sure.
games.
Yeah. I love games.
Okay, so you're gonna draw a card. Any card.
All right. that
Okay,
one.
now don't look at me. Look at the card. If it is a 3 or it is a sorry, you can go free. If it is another number, you put it back.
Okay. It's.
Okay, and now you do a little shuffle. And now you're gonna draw a card. If his card matches what you drew, I'm sorry, I have to turn you into candy.
Oh
What card?
no.
If it's a sorry or a 3, you go free as well. What card is it? You get to go free. Sad for me.
Yay!
But instead, I will tell you a couple jokes.
Sure.
First joke. Why does a golfer wear 2 pairs of pants?
I don't know. Why does a golfer wear 2 pairs of pants?
Good thing you asked, just in case he gets a hole in one. No, come on, come on. See, you're lucky. I wish I could have turned either of you into candy.
Oh yeah.
So
No.
make sure you pay me for if I go to a birthday party or a funeral or a Hanukkah. I do all sorts of parties. Enjoy. Tell him Twitch says hello.
All right.
Tell them Beulah wants to leave. They're torturing me. I'm not part of this family. I'm a victim.
Oh God. Hi. Oh God. Hi. Oh, it's a good juice.
Good juice.
Good juice. Yeah. Oh God, no. No.
You want some?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
yummy.
It's yummy. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Drink it.
No.
No. Why not?
Because I ate already, so I'm full. Yeah, I ate already.
Willie, you need a new leg, don't you? He needs a new leg.
Needs a new leg? Oh yeah.
You're gonna be the replacement.
But I have short legs.
That's perfect height.
Is it perfect height? I thought they would want longer legs.
Oh no.
He's got longer legs. No? Oh, damn.
Perfect height.
That's the first time that's ever
Hey,
happened.
put your window.
Oh God. Oh God.
That one?
You need
No.
a shot for Lego.
I will after my break.
Oh,
How long
okay.
your break?
I think, 2 hours?
No. 10 minutes.
5.
10 minutes. You shot for Lego.
Okay.
We'll be back later.
Which one am I chopping off?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Oh, call the doctor.
Doctor, I got one
doctor.
patient. I need a date for the appointment.
It's Nancy.
Nancy for the appointment. Spider lady, Nancy's coming.
Oh God. I'll see the doctor.
Tell him Mike sent you.
All right.
Mike.
Oh God. Ah! Oh my God. There's some spiders. Ah! Hi. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, thank you. Oh God. Oh God.
Say hi to Dr. Bird.
Dr. Burns, all right. Is that a... Oh God. I'm just walking away. Dr. Burns. We're looking for a Dr. Burns. Oh my God. I'm walking away from this one.
Looks like we gained a third.
Bye-bye. Oh no.
No! Just look at the photo. She'll see her soon.
Hi.
Who are you here to see?
Dr. Burns.
Who? Dr. Barnes?
Yeah.
Get out!
Oh, your fault.
No!
Oh God. Oh God.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Terry, look! She's going to sleep.
I don't know if that was real or not. Oh. Hi. Okay. Okay. Right over here.
I'm Dr. Burns. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Don't touch me, you're not clean!
Okay.
I've been watching you for a while now. Meeting the rest of my family. Aren't they beautiful? Wrong, you're idiots! But I love them. Been watching you walk through them, meeting them, talking to them. You didn't flirt with them, did you?
No.
God! No one flirts with my daughters.
Okay.
But I think you got potential to join the family.
Oh.
But everyone's got to pass the last test to join. Get me?
Yeah.
Good. She gets me. Now, what's a good test for a moron that walks into my house, messes with my family, and doesn't bring me a nice bottle of wine?
Oh.
Seriously, what kind of guest are you?
My bad. I'm sorry.
You know what? I got a thing. We're gonna play Get Away from Jack.
Get away from Jack. All right.
Yeah, I'll give you a head start. You want my head that way?
Okay. Oh God. No, no. You need help? Okay. Hi. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh, hey.
Job well done.
Absolutely.
All right, we just checked out Twisted Crypt. We went through and it was so amazing. I can't think of anything better to say than the interaction with the actors. There's a lot of close-up. There's a lot of rooms where you stay in there, and you just hang out with the actors until they let you pass through to the next section. So this was well worth the trip, even if it's an hour and a half away from Chicago. Yeah, so stay tuned for our full written review. So stay tuned for that as well. Bye, guys.